Hazrat Humayd bin Abdul Rahman narrates that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, a man submitted to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have got perished. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, what has happened to you? He submitted, I have copulated with my wife while fasting. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, can you manumit a slave? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, can you observe fasting of 2 consecutive months? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, can you feed 60 destitute people? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, sit down. So he sat down. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then brought an arak full of dates. Arak is the name of a colossal measuring unit. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, take it and give it as alms. He thereupon submitted, to a family poorer than mine. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughed, exposing his teeth, and said, give it to your family to eat. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6709.